Ever dreamed of an extra $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 a month from your driveway? You've heard about flipping cars, but what if there's a blueprint for guaranteed profit? Most people miss the hidden money bombs in plain sight. In this video, I'm revealing the exact strategies, the insider hacks, and the critical mistakes to avoid that turn rusty metal into serious cash. This isn't just about cars. It's about unlocking massive untapped profit. Ready to flip your way to financial freedom? Let's go. Segment 1. The hunt and the heist, finding your gold mine. The biggest secret to car flipping? You make your money when you buy, but how do you find those hidden gems that everyone else scrolls past? It's all about market inefficiency and spotting the motivated seller. Point 1. Decoding the keywords. Forget clean title, low mileage. You're looking for desperation. Keywords like need gone, moving, divorce, and especially just needs are your gold. These sellers aren't focused on getting top dollar. They want fast cash. Point 2. Timing is everything. Want to be first to the deal? You got to be quicker than the competition. New listings often drop first thing in the morning and around 5 p.m. EST. Be ready to pounce within 30 minutes of a post going live. Point 3. The golden fleet. Don't chase prestige, chase reliability. Your bread and butter? The golden fleet of high liquidity cars. Think Honda Civic, Toyota Camry, Hyundai Elantra, 2011 to 2016, Honda CR-V, or Toyota RAV4. These cars sell themselves, and a critical warning: steer clear of old luxury cars. Expensive parts, tiny buyer pool. Your profit margins will vanish. Segment 2. The art of the deal, buying smart. You found the car, now comes the delicate dance. Negotiation. Remember, you want to be their solution, not their problem. This is where the cash flash, the flaw audit, and the silence come into play. Point 1. The cash flash. First, the lure. Offer to be there immediately, cash in hand. Motivated sellers love speed. Show that money. Point 2. The flaw audit. On inspection, don't be a jerk. Be empathetic. Gently point out the obvious repairs. Yeah, those tires are pretty bald. Or that interior smell is tough. You're building a logical case for your lower offer. Point 3. The silence. This is the killer move. After your lower offer, shut up. The silence makes them uncomfortable, forcing them to weigh your immediate cash against waiting for a better offer that might never come. It's psychological warfare, but it works. Segment 3. High ROI upgrades. Selling the feeling. Beginners focus on mechanicals. Pros? They sell a feeling. These are the high ROI cosmetic fixes that make a car feel brand new without breaking the bank. Point 1. Headlight magic. A $20 headlight restoration kit can make a 10-year-old car look 5 years newer. It's instant curb appeal. Point 2. The smell test. That funky smell? An ozone generator, about $80, eliminates odors. Smoke, dog, stale fast food, gone. It subtly tells a buyer, this car was cared for. Point 3. Touch points. Replace those worn steering wheel covers and ripped floor mats. For about $50, you're giving the buyer a new car tactile experience. Point 4. Interior detailing beyond the surface. Don't just vacuum. Use a steam cleaner on the carpets and seats. Get into every crevice with detailing brushes. Remove all personal items. A fresh, empty interior signals a fresh start for the new owner. This costs you time, not much money, but pays huge dividends. Point 5. The tire and trim transformation. Often overlooked, tires and black plastic trim. A good tire dressing makes old tires look new, and a trim restorer brings faded black plastic back to life. These small details show attention, which translates to trust and a higher perceived value. Critical insight. Avoid expensive mechanical fixes unless you know what you're doing. Stick to cosmetics. Always use an OBD2 scanner. If you see transmission or catalytic converter codes, run. Simple sensor fixes, go for it. Segment 4, the selling machine. Listing for profit. You've got a fantastic refreshed car. Now, how do you get top dollar and sell it fast? It's all about strategic marketing and a seamless buyer experience. Point 1, the selling snapshot photography secrets. Don't mess up your hard work with bad photos. You need at least 10 to 15 high quality, well-lit photos from every angle: interior, exterior, engine bay, trunk. Show off those clean headlights and new floor mats. Good photos generate leads. Bad photos get scrolled past. Your phone is enough. Just find good light. Early morning or late afternoon golden hour is best. Take vertical shots for Instagram, TikTok, and horizontal for main listings. Point 2, crafting the compelling description. Your listing isn't just a list of features. It's a story. Highlight the upgrades you made, even the small ones. Mention the clean interior, the fresh smell, the polished headlights. Include all relevant maintenance records if you have them. Be honest about any minor imperfections, but frame them positively. Minor scratch on passenger door, priced accordingly. Use bullet points for readability. And always include a clear call to action. Serious inquiries only, no trades, cash preferred. Point 3, pricing strategy, the sweet spot. Research, research, research. Use sites like Kelley Blue Book, Edmunds, and local market listings to find your car's value. Then price it slightly above your target, leaving room for negotiation. But don't be greedy. Remember, speed is profit. If it's not getting calls within 48 hours, adjust the price. Point 4, where to list, maximize exposure. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Use a combination of free and paid platforms. Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist are essential for local sales. For a wider net, consider AutoTrader or Cars.com if the car's value justifies the listing fee. And don't forget to leverage your social media. Segment 5, the pitfalls, avoiding financial disaster. Now, let's talk about the traps. These mistakes will sink your profits faster than a lead balloon. Pay attention, because this is where many aspiring flippers fail. Point 1, the title trap. Never buy a car without a title. Avoid bill of sale only scams. And for the love of profit, stick to clean titles. Salvage or rebuilt titles are headaches and profit killers. And whatever you do, never engage in floating titles. That's illegal. Point 2, emotional attachment. Don't fall in love with the car. It's a transaction. If the numbers don't make sense, walk away. There's always another deal. Point 3, the slow decline. Price your car to sell fast within 7 to 14 days. A car sitting on your lot is a money pit, not a profit center. Speed equals profit in this game. So there you have it, the exact blueprint for turning used cars into serious cash. From finding the deal to selling the dream, these strategies are designed to help you generate an extra $24,000 to $50,000 annually. It's not magic, it's smart work. Are you ready to start your own car flipping empire? Drop a comment below and let me know your biggest takeaway. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more insider secrets, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into making money.